busy schedules to join us.
Yeah, we are so excited to be a part of the Fishers community. So everyone from the mayor's office to local community leaders to everyone that are potential new customers have been so welcoming. So we plan to be an active part of the local community. I think you heard the announcement in terms of our furniture giveaway for grand opening, but we also look forward to partnering with local businesses and then community leaders as we go forward too. Excited. Yeah, we can't wait to open the doors. It's been a privilege to host everyone today. I'm so glad you could make it. But we're thrilled to get the community in here, get everyone to experience the uniqueness that is IKEA, and have some new customers here.